Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome to my channel. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your Cash App account. So it's pretty simple, but before I show you guys how you guys can do it, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel one to step. Because in this YouTube channel, we post tutorial videos and guide videos just like this. So if you guys want to get notified for future Cash App related videos and other tutorial video, then be sure to do that, and let's get on with today's video. So basically Cash App is a app just like PayPal, which is used for transferring money and receiving money. Alright, so that's the simple definition of it. If you guys want to know more about it, you can always visit its Wikipedia page. Now to log in into your Cash App account, basically open Cash App. After opening your Cash App, you want to enter your phone number or email, whichever thing you used when you created your Cash App. For phone number, you can type the number over here and click on next. For email, you can click on this ABC and enter your email over here just like this. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can skip from phone to email. Now if you enter your phone or your email, then it's gonna send a verification code to your phone's SMS or your email, and you just have to check that code and you have to enter the code over here. Then it's gonna know that it's you and it's gonna let you log in into your account. So that's basically how you guys can log in into your Cash App account. It's that simple. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And I will see you guys in another video. Until then, bye bye.